Oh, hi everyone, this is Kiki Liana. Today I'm going to be showing you how I usually make a chain stitch. The chain stitch is a basic stitch in crochet. It is one of essential stitches in crochet. Some people say that this is so simple and this is the easiest crochet stitch to learn and make. If you haven't done any, let's do it together with me. Today I'm going to be using this yarn. This is a soft textured yarn and 4.5 millimeters hook. Before we start making a chain stitch, we're going to make a slip knot. I usually make a slip knot like this. Well, actually I know that maybe some of you have different ways in making a slip knot, but that's okay because it depends on you, it depends on your hands, it depends on your fingers and also your preferences. But this way is the most comfortable way for me. To make a slip knot, I'm going to drape the yarn tail over these two fingers and wrap it around, crossing like this. And I'm going to insert my hook down here and then grab this yarn and then twist it like this. And I'm going to adjust the size of the loop by pulling the working yarn or the tail. I don't want to make it too loose or too tight because I want to make sure that I still can slide the loop back and forth on my hook like this. Now let's get started. To make a chain stitch, I'm going to yarn over and then grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Now I have one chain here. Let's do some more. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Oops. Let's do it again. Look at the V's here. They are my chains. So in here I have some chains in a row. Now let's do it again from the very beginning. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next video. Have a nice day and bye bye.